Good afternoon, Recon here with Techout. Just a quick unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the OnePlus Bullets V2 wired headphones. I got these from your guys' purchasing of the OnePlus 6 through my referral link, so thank you very much. These were free to me because I had those referral points. So here we go. Inside the box here, we have another box, and I will leave my referral link down in the description if you guys want to use that to purchase a phone. You do get $20 towards an accessory at the time of purchase, so you can get a case or something like that basically for free. And these look really, really nice. Never settle. We have some else down here. Probably extra ear tips. Yes, extra ear tips. Different sizes rather. And in here we have your user manual and the headphones themselves. So they are really nice. They're fairly lightweight. They have a flat cable on them, but they go in the ear rather well. Just a pair of basic headphones. I forget exactly how much they were. I think they're about 20 bucks if you buy them by themselves. And then they do have the volume up and down and play and pause button and mic and everything like that in line on the cable as well. So pretty nice pair of headphones there. You know, free with the referral points, so definitely worth it. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe for more. And as always, have a great day.